It's not 2021 anymore, so you can't price your home like it is. Hey everyone, welcome back. We're Michelle and Randolph with Hatch Homes Group with your weekly market update. And today, we're diving into one of the most important conversations that sellers need to be having right now. How to price your home right in today's shifting market.
That's right. Pricing has always been important, but right now, it can make or break your selling experience. Whether you're aiming for a quick sale or trying to squeeze out every last dollar, pricing is the first impression on your home, what your home makes, and it's got to be spot on.
Yeah, the first impression. Let's be honest, most homeowners think that their home is worth more than their neighbors, and many sellers still want to base their pricing on what homes were selling for at the peak of the market in like 21 and 22. But that's no longer our reality. What we're seeing now is a market that is correcting, not crashing, but correcting.
Exactly. Buyers today are more informed, more cautious, and frankly, more selective. We're seeing longer days on market for homes that come out overpriced, and that's a red flag for buyers. They start wondering, why hasn't it sold, even if there's nothing wrong with the home itself?
Let's talk about price changes for a second. This year alone, we've seen a significant increase in the number of price reductions happening week over week, far more than what we saw in 2023 and 24, as you can see from the graph provided by the RMLS for the Portland metro area.
What that tells us is simple. Sellers are overshooting. They list high, hoping to test the market, and then up chasing it down. That delay, it hurts your leverage. The longer your home sits, the more buyer questions its value, even if you're eventually adjusting.
This data really drives the point home. The volume of price changes in this market is speaking loud and clear. It's telling us that homes need to be priced accurately from day one if you want to maximize interest and minimize time on market.
Now let's shift gears and talk about inventory. We have more homes on the market right now than we've had in recent years. More options mean more options for buyers, which translates for buyers to be more picky.
And when buyers are comparing, the first thing they notice is price. Before they even set foot in your home, they're measuring it against the others they've seen online. That's why we work with you to understand your goals and price strategically, not emotionally.
Yes, our job is to dive deep into your hyperlocal market, what's selling in your neighborhood, your price bracket, and your home type, and align our pricing strategy to match today's demand.
Let's take a look at the new listings coming to market. You'll see we're seeing a pretty steady flow, especially in the spring months. This means competition is strong and growing.
Now, if we layer that with the number of homes that are actually selling, we start to get a full picture. The homes that are selling relatively fast are the ones that are not only priced well, but they are also highly updated. So keep that in mind. So yes, homes are still selling, but they aren't flying off the shelf like they were 2 years ago.
It's true. This gap between what's being listed and what's actually closing tells us one thing. Pricing matters more than ever. Sellers who hit the market with the right number are the ones seeing activity, showings, and offers.
So, what's the takeaway? Price your home for today's market, not the one from 2 years ago.
Ding, ding. And don't worry, we're here to help guide you through it. We always start with your goals. Are you trying to move quickly, or are you okay waiting a little longer? Knowing there's a risk, you may have to adjust your price later.
Ultimately, it's about being strategic, informed, and realistic. If your home is priced right from the start, it stands out. And in the market full of options, standing out is everything.
100%. If you're thinking of selling and want to make sure your pricing strategy is solid, reach out. It's what we do best. We'd love to walk you through the data for your specific neighborhood.
Thanks for watching, and as always, we're here to be your trusted real estate advisors. See you next time.
See ya.